Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is the final step of the Birdhouse project. I get to hang them, then I get to look at them. And you do too. The old birdhouse sat here. So I want to cover that up, that mark where the birdhouse was, with a birdhouse. But I have two birdhouses to put up. So I talked it over with the designer, and she suggested having one slightly lower than the other. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the taller one on the high position and the shorter one on the low position. Because they're just a little bit, one's a little bit shorter than the other. This is the taller one, and that's just because of the roof peak. I made this one with a flatter pitch than this one. Now, I don't have to worry about screws interfering into the birdhouse space because these are not for birds. They're just for decoration. I got it sitting there square. If I don't have two screws in it, the squirrels jump on them. The squirrels knock them out of position. I actually had one knocked right off the fence. Now the last one was just strictly because the birdhouse rotted out. It was just a weathering situation. There, good and solid. Good and tight. Make sure I got it hanging straight. There. Really could use the third one over here. That would balance it out. But I think asymmetrical is probably going to be okay. Now I've got them all in place. Everything's ready to go. I can go on into winter without that project hanging over me. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.